So welcome back. This is part 2, and I am continuing to do 8, and when I finish the round I will come to show you how to join. Okay, so I have done the last, and this is how it looks like. I don't know, I fell in love with this motif. I just love it. So I did the 2 chain, and I'm gonna do a slip stitch and then chain 2 to go up, and then I'm gonna make 2 puff stitches, and I'm just repeating what I did. So this is always we do this part when we're joining. Okay, 2 and then 1 more, then grab it, poke it there, and then grab this from the corner and chain 3, and then make another popcorn with 4 double crochets. Okay, again, chain 2. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're here. We're going to do double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1 on each of the double crochets we did on the bottom, and this is all to it on this row. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4th row. Okay, so chain 2, and then I'm going to jump here, 1, chain 1, 2, 3, chain 1, it's my Angora fibers all over the house. Chain 1, 7, and chain 1, and then the last one, 8, chain 2, and we're back at the corner, and we're going to make 2 popcorns, and each popcorns are 4 double crochet. So I'm going to let you crochet again all the way around. We're just repeating. We're chaining 2, and then we're doing what we did here 3 more times, and then I'll come back to show you how to join, and then we will start the 5th row. Okay, so I'm at the last. I did, oops, chain 2, and I'm going to join here, then chain 2 or 3. It depends on how you do it. I do chain 2. Sometimes I do chain 3 to go up again. Like, you don't have to follow. Again, I don't know if there's a written pattern, but you can write down what I am saying. So please do not ask me for a written pattern. This is the purpose for me to do tutorials on YouTube. If there's a written pattern, I would advise you to search it up, because I don't know. I just look, and then I start crocheting. Like, I just follow what's in it. Sometimes maybe the pattern will say chain 4 and I chain 2, so it depends. I really don't, but I just use my judgment. Like, I'm 50 and I've been crocheting since I was 10. So 40 years of experience, and I never stopped. Just to point that out, I never stopped. Even when I was working, I would do it on my lunch breaks, my breaks, 15-minute breaks. Okay, so, let's come back to the motif. Okay, so now we're creating these, and then as you can see, we're going to decrease. The more we go up, and then we're increasing here. The pines, or I don't know what you call these, but they're gorgeous. When you add the motifs, it becomes something totally different than the motif you see in my hand. So we're going to chain 2, make a single crochet, chain 3 between, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. We're going to do a total of 8, and then we're going to come back, and when we come back, okay, I forgot to notice, we're going to do 3 here. Remember, we were doing 2 all this time. Now we're going to do 3. We're increasing here, and we're going to start decreasing here. To do that, we're going to make 3 popcorns. Okay, before I go, okay, so I did 2, and I'm going to do the third one. And like I said, there's only 3 chains between, and each popcorn is 4 double crochet. 2, 3, and then 4. Okay, and then chain 2, and then jump here, chain. I'm doing 3. You can do 2 if you want. Please, if you know how to pull the end inside, let me know, because this is really hard. It's really hard to pull the yarn because it goes. I like to pull it from the inside. I tried and I tried and I couldn't. On one of the balls here, I tried and I couldn't find the end in the inside. So chain 3, single crochet, chain 3. You can chain 2 if you're not feeling comfortable. Chain 3, single crochet. Okay, chain 2, and then jump here on the corner. We're going to make 3 double crochets, and then we're going to repeat what we did, just like this, and I'll meet you at the end. Oops, sorry, I keep on touching the camera. Okay, so I'll meet you at the end. Yeah, make 3 popcorns on the corners now. We're increasing to 3, just like this. Okay, so I just finished the 5th row, and this is how it looks like so far. Isn't it delicate? I don't know, I'm falling in love with this every time I look at it. Okay, so I did my last 2 chain, and I'm going to join with a slip stitch, and then chain 2 to go up. So we're starting the 6th row. The 6th row is here. Now we're going to create 2 popcorns on each. Remember, we did 3 on the previous row, on the 5th row. On the 6th row, we're going to do 2 popcorn, 2 popcorn, and then, so we're going to have a total of 4 popcorns. And then when we turn, we're going to be decreasing. So that's why we're increasing here. It's like a fan, opening a fan. And the pine is giving that look. This yarn is more finer than this one that I have been crocheting. I'm just frogging my, I had a 20-year-old cardigan that I had, and I thought, I just love this color. Lime green is one of my favorite colors that I love, love, love. Everything, my vest, my cardigans, my jackets are all lime green. My raincoat, believe it or not. Okay, so I'm going to make 1, 2, 3 double crochet, and I'm going to poke my crochet hook here, and then pull, and then chain 3 automatic after. And I'm going to make another popcorn here. To do that, I'm going to make 4 double crochets, 3, 4, just like that. My windows are closed, but the traffic here, I'm on a corner lot. 3 chains, so it is pretty loud no matter what I do. Okay, so I jump to the next, and I'm going to make a set of 2 popcorns here. To do that, I'm going to double crochet 4 times, just like this. Chain 3, then make another popcorn. 3, then 4, just like this. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, I'm gonna start increasing my chains because this one is getting smaller here, right? The pine cone is getting smaller, so therefore I started with 2 chains. Now I'm going to increase it to 3, and then the more it goes, the pine cone, I don't know where the pine cone came from, pineapple. So 2 chain, I'm going to increase it to 3. So 1, 2, 3, and the middles are always 3. 1, 2, 3, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, just look what we did. This is how we're increasing here. And the next row I'll be jumping here, like that. Okay, so I will let you do the work. And then when I come, we'll start the row 7. So this is row 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we make 2 popcorns here, 2 popcorns here, just like this, what we did. Okay, so I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so I'm just finishing the 6th row and starting the 7th row, and we just do what we do. And this is how it looks like so far. Okay, so now we're going to be making 2 popcorns on each. Oops, we're here. We're going to be making 2 popcorns here, and in the middle we're going to make 3 popcorns this time, and then 2 popcorns, and then again we're decreasing here. Okay, so 2 popcorn, just repeating, 3, 1, 2, 3. For some reason I'm on the left side of the screen. Sorry about that. Keep on moving towards the right side, this way, on the 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we did the 2. Now we're here. We're going to do 3 popcorns, and to do that, again, we're just going to make 4 double crochets to create 1 popcorn. If I didn't tell you, it's a total of 11 rows to create this motif. Second popcorn, 3 chain in between, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then the third popcorn in the middle, 4 double crochets. One, two, three. Okay, so this is how it looks like. And then we're going to make 2 popcorn. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 chain. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so again, I'm going to be decreasing. So 1, 2, 3. If I get cut off, I'll see you back on the 3rd video. And then just continue crocheting like this, and then on each corners make 2 popcorn, and in the middle make 3 popcorn, and then 2 popcorn, just like this.